Hi guys, welcome to Mobile Seiko channel. Today we are going to unbox the brand new Redmi Note 4. The mobile is already open, so let's see what's the contents are there inside the mobile. Opening the box, the phone is self on the top. Let's see the mobile about later. Now let's see what's the contents are there inside it. Some user manuals are at the top. And behind that there is a warranty card. Some paperwork and a 2 amps 5 volt 2 amps charger. It's not a fast charger, it's normal 5 volt 2 amp charger. Then a sim ejector tool, it's on the box, mounted on the box. Then a USB port cable. So now let's start about the mobile. There are 3 variants in the mobile. One is 2GB, 3GB and 4GB. Today I am going to review 3GB variant. On the top it has a IR blaster and 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right it has volume rockers and power button. On the bottom it has a speaker grill, charging port and a mic. On the left it has a SIM slot. On the back it has a fingerprint sensor and a 13 megapixel rear camera. Now let's see whether the SIM slot is hybrid or dedicated. Actually Redmi is providing only hybrid slot, the same here as well. It's a hybrid slot, either you can put 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and a memory card. Now let's look into the mobile. I already finished my settings. Now let's go to the settings and what's the out of box Android version in the mobile. Let's go to about phone and see out of the box it has a Marshmallow version 6.0.1. I don't know whether they'll give an update. They'll provide only MIUI update. It's a 3GB variant, 32GB inbuilt. Let's see what's the available memory out of box. Out of 32GB, 23.51 something is free, so it's not a big issue. I heard that sound in this mobile is pretty good, so let's test it. Yeah, it's loud enough. I have posted some sample camera shots. Now let's test the fingerprint. It's really good and fast, very responsive. Okay guys, please do see sample shots after the video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and support me. This is a normal shot. This is a HDR. Picture looks very good and seems to be oversaturated a little bit. Focusing on this mobile is good without any issues. It's a long shot. Good. In this picture, you know, the focus. Yeah, here the exposure is somewhat higher. That's it. Please do subscribe my channel and support me. Let's see in the next video. Thank you guys.